I give the floor to Tom Weidig from Luxembourg.
Thank you, Mrs. Chair. Dear colleagues, many in this room attach great importance to fiscal and budgetary discipline and stand for a strong European Union. My party also stands for strong and sovereign member states. I would therefore like to raise some concerns linked to the Next Generation EU initiative. Common debt is in contradiction with the EU Treaty, as Article 311 clearly states that the budget of the Union shall be financed wholly from own resources. The programme may have had positive impact on the economy, but such impact could have achieved with tailored national programmes too. The raising interest rates now create a growing burden on national budgets. Common debt leads to more centralisation and transfer of power to Brussels, which is not only unpopular, but frankly, often unnecessary and even counterproductive. We are also concerned that ideological priorities seep into these EU programmes. The Next Generation EU initiative should have been about helping the people and the economy and not be used as a way to enforce counterproductive policies on green transition and gender equality that are not widely supported by the general population. We demand that there should be no more common debt programmes in the EU and the treaties be observed. A strong and lasting European Union needs strong and sovereign member states. Thank you.